Nothing on that beat, go.
Aye, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw. Man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro.
Morning. Today, we're gonna do a little day in the life. To start, gotta brush the teeth, then morning walk. Need that.
It's a cold Sunday to complain. I hold it in until it rain. I fought demons after fame. I spent millions on terrain. I treat my bitches like Diana. Pretty princess, hold it fast.
Now the first thing I do is go for a morning walk is so that I don't just go on my phone, start scrolling or anything like that, but instead as soon as I wake up, I come outside, I get that morning sunlight directly on my skin, just helps start the day a lot better. And then as I get into my walk, like 15 minutes or so, then I start going on my phone, catching up with things. So that way I'm getting some activity, some sunlight, and catch up on the stuff at the same time. And I've been doing this every day for almost 2 years now. And that's just because consistency wins. It works for me. Maybe it doesn't work for you, but it works for me, and I love it. Need that. Oh shit, it's a private jet. Private jet to start the morning. One day. It's all a part of the plan. So I just started catching up on my DMs this morning here on Instagram. They're always flooded, and I got a special one right now from one of the students inside of DDM. Take a look. So I posted this story last night talking about how entrepreneurship isn't super glamorous when you're just working on a computer, but the places it takes you, the experience it gives you are super, super cool and amazing. And he said, absolutely, bro. DDM opened my eyes, not just seeing what I can achieve for myself, also how many people can I help? How many relationships can I build? And he said, it's so funny because 6 months ago, I didn't even have the money to support myself. Now it's already been 3 months just since I've been back home because I've been traveling and working. DDM is not a skill, it's a way of living. Thanks for being my mentor. Shout out to you, Arbon. Now let's keep going.
Yeah, not living enough. This blunt, I'm taking a puff. I'm stuck, don't feel like it's us. No trust, so do as you must. For real.
Two most important parts of your day is how you start it and how you end it. Do you start it comparing yourself to others on the phone? And do you end it knowing you gave it your all and can go to bed comfortable, sleep, ready, excited for the next day? Or do you go to bed anxious, knowing you didn't do enough or do what you knew you actually should be doing and that you didn't want to start tomorrow, you didn't want to wake up tomorrow and be all excited for it? So it's very important you find the right, kind of routine, and it doesn't have to be super fancy, but just something that puts you in the right mindset right before. Because as soon as I wake up, I'm not usually a very happy person. I got to get my sunlight, got to get moving a little bit, and then I feel better. Feel like I earned, the water I'm about to drink when I get home. So we're gonna go back now and just shower, normal stuff, get ready for the day, and I'll see you there. All right, I just took a shower, got ready for my day, read about 10 pages of a book, and now I'm gonna go into the office. So right now I'm just backing up my computer. I haven't done that in a while, but usually the first thing I do is I'll open up Discord in the inner circle for DDM students, and there's like a section where people can ask me specifically questions. So I go in here first thing and just make sure everybody's taken care of before I get started in some like the deeper focused tasks. Like the next thing is gonna be working on some different content scripts for things we're gonna do to promote different digital products. So that'll be like some focus work for the next hour or so. Now it's time to go to the gym. I just got some of the boring work done out of the way, but it's still stuff I kind of enjoy. Like I had to go through a sales sheet, review commissions, make sure everything's good to go there, review a contractor's work and make sure that person got paid, sent the wire, and some content stuff, etc. But that's what this is. In entrepreneurship, you're always gonna have stuff to do that's gonna help you grow and help your business. Now, I'm gonna go to the gym and get a good pump in. Gotta go every single day. Haven't missed a day. Don't miss.
Gotta find my joint up on this bitch. I miss you. 3 times. Sticking to the code, all these hoes for the street. I put it in her nose, it's gon' make her pussy leak. Pussy niggas told ain't gon' wake up at they sleep. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear them niggas scream. All my hoes do shrooms, nigga, all my hoes do coke. 20 carat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. lose a carry, she might choke. I know she gon' swallow shit.
Normally after the gym, I usually just kind of get back to doing some different work things, and I'll eat some ground beef or some steak and just kind of go like that for the rest of my day. But since I got my homies in town, so we're going to switch it up. I want to take them to my favorite place here on the island. So we hopped in the truck, and now we're headed to the St. Regis at Bahia Beach. Now, it's not only like a super beautiful property, but also the amenities there are just amazing. And, you know, I guess one of the biggest things about this is just the lesson of just changing up your environment can increase your productivity a lot from what I've noticed, even when it's not somewhere super far. You know, we don't have to travel across the world to switch it up. We don't have to, you know, drive 10 hours. You know, we drive 45 minutes, and now we're in a completely different environment. It switches up everything we're doing and opens up new ideas and new opportunities. And the same thing applies. I used to do this a few years ago when I was just starting to try and make money online, is I would just drive, you know, even 30 minutes away to a different town, an hour, a couple hours, and, you know, just get out of my comfort zone, because that's usually where your mind's going to have to think differently instead of just being on autopilot. So I think it's going to be a good time. I'm really excited. I haven't been here in a little while, and I think the guys are going to have a good time too. So we'll see once we get there.
Rolly gang, Patty gang, rich baby daddy gang. I'm with Red like I'm at a Cincinnati gang.
All right, we just got here. Literally just walked in, put my stuff down. I haven't looked around the place yet, but I wanted to bring you guys with me so you could check this out. Honestly, I've only ever stayed here at the St. Regis in the hotel, so seeing an actual unit for the first time for the residences is pretty exciting. Let's see what we got here first. Guessing, is this the master? Has to be. Huge bathroom. Pretty cool. Big bedroom. That's cool. Well, that's one bedroom, and I'm pretty sure we got a few more. Huge outdoor balcony with the grill. Let's go over here to the west wing of the house. Hello? Oh, there's someone there. So bedroom, full bathroom of it. Nice desk and laundry room, and another big bedroom, closet, own bathroom. Now, this is luxury. Honestly, probably the nicest condo unit I've ever seen in Puerto Rico as far as just overall. But the best part, to me, is not this condo. Instead, it's the amenities. So we're about to get into this and have a ton of fun.
Hood bitch tatted gang for she tatted name. Real bitch held me down for I had a name. Heard this money on my head, what is that to me? I put 100 bands on him, he put a rack on me. We from two different worlds, but it's a match to me. To bend it over, only time she turn her back on me for real.
Well, we've been cruising around a little bit and we got hungry, so we ended up going to the grocery store, picking up some different things. And now Justin just cooked up about a pound of ground beef with some white rice. You know, keep it simple, keep it clean. I just had a couple steaks. Benji's about to eat something. He had some Wendy's too, so I think he's feeling good now. Honestly, right now, I'm just kind of chilling. I'm gonna catch up on some work stuff now, and then we'll probably go back out to the pool or something. After a long day of making money on the internet, selling problem-solving digital products, I don't gotta worry about are my products being shipped from China right now? Is the supplier sending the right products? That's the beauty of digital dropshipping. That's why I stopped the normal dropshipping model. Even after I generated over a couple $1 million in sales with it, my profits weren't that high. But now that I found a way to replace that, my life has changed. Literally, none of this would be possible without it. And look, the self-education market is only growing and growing. People that are spending money to learn, to solve their problems, are spending money on digital products, whether it's ebooks, video courses, Notion templates, Canva templates. This stuff is continuing to grow. So I definitely recommend, look into it. If you're looking for a way to make money online, just at least check it out. It's worth a shot. That definitely got my heart rate down a little bit after a kind of hectic day. But, I mean, realistically, you probably clicked on this video because you want to see like the life of someone that makes a lot of money online and how that actually looks. But it's probably not as exciting as you actually think. I can enjoy my days whether I'm here at a 5-star resort or when I'm back in my apartment or in some random place in the world. I can enjoy that because I enjoy what I do, and I have the drive to continue and, grow, because I know that when I focus on me, everything else can be good. If I'm a bad me, then it makes business and everything else so much harder. Like, I used to be attached to all these vices and bad habits, and that would just keep me seeing everything negatively. I would always see the bad in situations, versus now, instead of thinking, what's the worst case scenario, I think, what's the best case scenario? And then I can go from there and continue to really just progress. As long as I take care of me, I know everything else is good. And there's no better feeling than feeling solid yourself, being able to take care of your people, and enjoy life. So, the night's gonna end pretty simply. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna catch up on stuff on my laptop, and probably just check out some ads, respond to any emails, any tickets on Discord, and write my day for tomorrow. That's a habit I've done for years now, every single night. And thanks for watching.